another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. So this one is for September of 2021, and just like the Glam Bag, it is so Clueless inspired. I love it. And not only that, but like because of the straps on it, it even kind of looks like those 90s mini backpacks, of which I've had 10 zillion of them. But yes, as an actual 90s kid, just saying, the 90s vibes are so strong and I am here for it. But this is like a little cotton bag versus being more like burlap canvas on the other, so it's kind of interesting. But yeah, digging this bag. Now, I got hella add-ons in this one, so admittedly, the little card ain't gonna tell us shit. Let's see. If it would open, that'd be great. I'm not wrong. It's a checklist for how to keep your skin hydrated in fall. Ooh, wow. Who gives a shit? As if we didn't already know how to do that. So in no particular order, I'm gonna reach in and grab stuff and show it off. So, from the brand Girlactic, we have Glow on the Go, and this is in the color Jet Setter. So what is Glow on the Go? I think it's... I'm gonna be honest, I'm not entirely sure if this is an eye color, a highlighter, or a lip product. I'm gonna have to look it up because I don't remember, and this is the downside of them not having the carded things. I'm like, I don't know for sure. Maybe it can be used for any of the above. I kind of don't want to just riskily put it on my mouth without knowing for sure, though, that it's for that. At the same time, I don't want to riskily put it on my eyes if it's not for that. So I will look it up. And we will review it proper, but today will not be that day. Next, we have from Shades by Shan, San Francisco, California. You are very beautiful. In Marjorie. Is this like an eyeshadow? Also tells me nothing. Could be a highlighter, could be a shadow. I'd like to think that's a shadow, because otherwise that probably won't work as a highlighter on me. But, again, I will look that up. But I want to say that if I added that in on purpose, that would have been a shadow. So I think that's a safe bet that it's a shadow. These I'm probably the most excited for out of anything in here. And they're by Pretty Woman NYC, which you know I fucking adore them. It's a trio of autumnal colors. I am a happy camper right now, my dudes. So... we have got, what colors are they? And don't worry, they'll all get their own reviews. You know how I do. So this one is in the color, oh my gourd! I love it! This one is in, put a cork in it. And then the last one is Sweeter Than Honey. I could see that. Okay. Cute names, but I'm really excited about them being very fun autumnal colors. Right in time for Thanksgiving to do a nice Halloween. Thanksgiving mani with all three at the same time if I want. It'll be good. Then we have, by the brand Feel, Vitamin E Balm. If I remember right, I think this is like a multi-purpose product. A natural skin protective complex of castor seed oil and sunflower wax instantly moisturizes dry lips and skin, providing a protective barrier to prevent dryness. Yeah, okay, I was not wrong. You can use it as a lip balm. You can also use it as like a universal balm on your skin anywhere that needs hydration. So kind of like Glossier that way. So pick that up. From Araceli, we have the Ojos Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner in Sangria. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh! Like this fun coppery color. Not just perfect for autumn, but also for like Christmassy time. Okay. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Ooh, we got a biggie. Ooh, okay, so Murad Clarifying Oil-Free Water Gel. I don't think this was an add-on. I think this was actually part of the bag. But that's like... I think that may be full size. If it's not full size, it's a good size, so I'm not complaining. That's nice. I'm not going to complain about that. Then we have another Shades by Shan. It's a different color. This one's in the color Irma. I feel like I'm being trolled. Like, straight up, they're like a hair different. Like, a single hair different. They have to be shadows, right? There's no way I would be so dumb as to buy 2 highlighters, neither of which are, like, for my skin tone. They have to be shadows, I would imagine. And then we have, by Misho Beauty, Lip Shine Sheer Lip Balm in Madam. Oh, fancy, I'm a madam now. Okay, I can get it open. What color is Madam? Oh, I'm thinking this must have been part of the actual bag, because I don't think I'd have gone that dark on purpose, but okay. I'll play. That looks fun. I think I've only had nail polishes by Misho Beauty before, so I'm kind of curious to see what their other products are like, because I actually didn't realize they did stuff that wasn't nail polish, if I'm being honest with you. So that's kind of cool. Next, we have Context Nude Balm in Girl School. I laugh because there's a Paul McCartney song of that title, and I most definitely had to have picked that out as an add-on item solely for the name. You guys know damn well I will buy a product so quick if it has a song title of any of my peoples. So having a Paul McCartney title, oh hell yeah, you know damn well I'm gonna buy that. Oh, I should not have done that, because now I'm not gonna have the ingredients list. Oh shit. That sucks. But I need to see what Girl School looks like. Oh shit. Alright. I'm here for it. Bring on Girl School. That looks fun. If you've not heard the song, by the way, please look it up so that I don't feel like a total crazy person here. Ooh, another Araceli Ojos Perfectos gel eyeliner, and this one's in gold. Ooh, so this could play nice with Sangria. Maybe it was a duo set. Ooh. Oh, I could do some fun looks with those together. Oh my goodness. I'm already, like, envisioning different things I could do with these. Holy crap. We're getting near the bottom of the thing. This is from Grace and Stella, of which I have 10 million of that one hand cream, and I'm sure you guys do too. This is the Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Facial Spray. I think this was my, it was part of the bag, but it was my choice item. So, just knowing how my skin is with the Pixie Skin Treats Rose Glow Mist, if this is anything like that, my skin will absolutely adore it. So, I've got that. And last item is Heavy by Il Maquillage. The Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Quad in Make Moves. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay. So, this is a beefy boy. Alright. Like, why are you so heavy? Like, I think a lot of that is straight up just the packaging, though, which is the crazier part. Okay, we have a big old mirror, so I'm gonna block that. But these colors, this color story is phenomenal. Like, look at that. You could do a lot with that. And honestly, it reminds me of one of my favorite sweaters that I recently had to retire because it's so tired. And I know those of you who've been around the channel for a long time know which sweater I'm referencing. RIP to that sweater. But I did find one on Amazon in the same colors. It doesn't look just like the sweater, but it's the same color, so I feel like it could be its spiritual successor, you know? And that sweater is older than I am. It was my mom's, so it's time to retire it. It's threadbare. It was its time. It was more than its time. I kept it in my wardrobe like a few years longer than I probably should have, because I had to start wearing a cami under it just to not be obscene because it was that threadbare in spots. But I was too stubborn to give it up, and I finally retired the damn thing because I found a sweater in the same color combo in what looks to be a very similar type of yarn. So I was like, you know, it feels like its spiritual successor. It feels like it's time. It feels okay. So now the color names on this are Hold Up, Mood, Entourage, and Clapback. I love that. I love that so much. I still wish I knew why this were so heavy, though. Like, straight up, that is so weird that it's, like, such a beefy boy. But what can you do, right? But yeah, that is what I got in September in my Glam Bag Plus. It was a good haul this time, just saying. That was a good freaking haul. So anyways, that's it for this one, my dude. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel, you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time. See ya.